Hey everyone, let me introduce you to a really fun project. And this one here is Lisa's HOBO shoulder bag. It is a 3-piece template set and it is absolutely phenomenal. So with it, you're going to get the 3 Martelli templates and you're going to have the full written instructions on putting it together. And as with all of Martelli templates, they all have this amazing browning fabric on the back so it grips and holds your fabric. So here is the main body right here. And if I was to set this on my material right here on the fold, because it's telling me, I can easily cut this out. It is just so much fun to use the Martelli templates because you can use them over and over, knowing that every single cut is going to be perfect and the precision is going to be there so that when you fit your finished project, it's going to be easily all done exactly perfect every single time. And it's got some different markings on here that we've been able to hear for the zipper placement, and because this one here is the main body and here is the top piece. And if you'll notice right here, they kind of like go together like a puzzle piece, so that way you can put them together, place them on the fold and cut out the whole body at the same time. And then here is your snap placement tool that you're going to need this piece right here to be able to create the HOBO shoulder bag. So let me show you a couple examples. And this here is our Lisa's HOBO shoulder bag. And fun project. Everything's written on the instructions. It's got a hidden zip or hidden pocket on here. You can embellish this up with some fun little doodads that you can put on it. It has a snap, and on the inside, amazing pockets. And I think there are 6 pockets on the inside of this one right here. Fun strap, really easy, super easy to do. Full written instructions, goes over all the details. Now, I love color, so here it is in a beautiful, colorful, big, bold print. Absolutely fun to do. You can put whatever kind of a key fob on here. Here's an old earring that I had used. And then again, easy to put all your pockets in here. Hey, here's one done with some Martelli fabric. How fun is this one? And this one's made out of canvas. Has a zipper on here, fun little balloon, and again, all the pockets, and this one's got the sewing theme on the inside. Again, this one is so much fun. It's just a great universal bag. Will hold a lot of things, and you're going to get compliments on this one. This one's just so much fun. Again, this is Lisa's HOBO shoulder bag. Be sure to pick yours up today.